Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now on the 25th of August, Rolex released on their social media outlets a short 7-second video, and in that 7-second video there was a blue watery surround in which a lume triangle came from above and sort of went into the water, after which came the words unveiling of the 1st of September 2020. Now of course that sent the watch community into overdrive because everyone's really excited about what Rolex is going to release, and many people have been speculating as the particular model because Rolex didn't give away very much, but it looked as if it was going to be a Rolex Submariner that was going to be released on this day. Now Rolex has gone even further and teased us in the form of a new video that you can see playing now, going by the side profile of the watch that you can sort of see in the waves. Plus when you look at the watch face, as you can see behind, it's quite clear that it's a Rolex Submariner that they're going to be releasing on the 1st of September. It also looks to me as if it's going to be a blue colorway, giving emphasis of the blue colors and surround that you can see. Now, I'm really excited about this watch and I can't wait to see what it looks like in the flesh. And it's definitely turned my head when I think about my plans for trying to obtain a Rolex GMT Master 2. However, let's be honest, going by past releases of Rolex watches, it's unlikely I'm going to be able to get one of these watches anytime soon. So my original plan of going for a Rolex GMT Master 2 Batman is probably going to be the plan that I stick with, albeit whether I make an application through an AD or whether I go and try and buy one in the second-hand market. The model that has been advertised or appears to be advertised in the videos that Rolex have released over these past few days doesn't appear to have a date window. However, I'd be quite surprised if Rolex don't release a model with a date window as well as a model that doesn't have a date, as you can see in the screenshot behind me. Anyway, once the watch has been released, I will follow up this video with my thoughts on the new watch, and depending on the details for the release and application process, I may even put my own application in a number of the ADs I know to express my interest in one of these watches and follow up and share with you guys how I'm getting on with my application, however futile that may be. Just before I go, I'm going to do a quick wristwatch check, and I'm wearing my Harrods Tudor Special Edition today. So I hope you guys are all massively excited for the release of Rolex's new watch on the 1st of September. All I can say is, watch this space. If you've liked my content so far, don't forget to like and subscribe as that really helps the channel, and see you next time. Just before I go, I'm going to do a quick wristwatch check, and of course I'm wearing my Rolex